quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. AB is equal to AD. Angle BCD is equal to 70 degree. Then find major arc BCD. Major arc BCD. Then major arc BAD. And angle ABD. Okay, see this. Now here first find major arc BCD, but we cannot find directly. So first we will find measure of this angle A. Measure of angle A. Therefore, see this. First we write here quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Therefore, angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this is cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, opposite angles are supplementary. Now we put value of BCD. BCD 70 degree plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. We take 70 degree to the right side. Angle BAD is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. Okay, now our first example. What is major arc BCD. See this, major arc BCD. Major arc BCD is equal to 2 into, see this, major arc BCD is equal to 2 into major angle BAD. See this, BAD means this angle intercept this arc BCD. Actually, major arc BAD is equal to 1/2. Major angle BAD is equal to 1/2 or 1/2 major arc BCD. We take this 1/2 means 2 to the right side. Did you get it? Actual formula, major angle BAD is equal to 1/2 major arc BCD. See this BCD and this angle BAD. Now, therefore, major arc BCD is equal to 2 into value of BAD. What is 110 degree. 2 into 110 degree means 220 degree. Did you get it? Then second, what is major arc BAD? Major arc BAD. See this, major arc BAD is equal to, same way, 2 into major angle. See this, BAD is equal to 2 into major angle BCD. Therefore, we write here, therefore, major arc BAD is equal to 2 into 70 degree is equal to 140 degree. This is our first answer. This is our second answer. Then third one. What is our question? Find ABD. See here. Third. ABD. Find this. Now we have given first AB is equal to AD. This is given. If any two sides of a given triangle are congruent, then that triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now you have studied in 9th standard, page number 33. There is a theorem. That theorem is called isosceles triangles theorem. What is that theorem? If two sides are congruent, then opposite angles are also congruent. Therefore, angle opposite to AB is ADB. See this, AB opposite angle is D, that is ADB, and opposite angle of AD is ABD. This is our equation number 1 here. Okay, I will write here, but see here, sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, but in triangle ABD, this, see this, ABD, sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. See this, angle ABD, we want measure of this, so we write first ABD plus angle ADB plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degrees. See this, ABD, angle ABD plus angle ADB plus angle BAD. Did you get it? Is equal to 180 degree. Now this is our equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. See this. We put value of ADB. What is ABD? See here. Instead of this, we write here value of ADB. What is ADB? Value ABD. Angle ABD plus angle, instead of this, ABD plus BAD, 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABD plus angle ABD, 2 times angle ABD, and like terms together, this smaller number we take to the right side, near bigger, plus becomes minus 2 angle ABD is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to 70 degree upon 2. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to 35 degree. Write this.